Prioritizing Tasks, the Eisenhower Matrix. Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Talks. Today we're sharing a game-changing productivity tool, the Eisenhower Matrix. What is the Eisenhower Matrix? Urgent versus important axis, 4 quadrants. Do first, schedule, delegate, eliminate. This decision-making tool helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Understanding the quadrants. Do first, urgent and important. Deadlines, emergencies, critical tasks. Schedule, important but not urgent. Planning, learning, relationship building. Delegate, urgent but not important. Tasks for others, interruptions, email management. Eliminate, not urgent and not important. Time wasters, distractions. Procrastination, Section 3. How to use the Eisenhower Matrix. Here's how to apply the matrix to your tasks. 1. Write down all tasks. 2. Evaluate urgency and importance. 3. Plot tasks on the matrix. 4. Prioritize accordingly. Section 4. Example and benefits. Example: prioritizing tasks for a project. Benefits: reduced stress, increased productivity, better focus, improved work-life balance. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple yet powerful tool for prioritizing tasks. Call to action. Try it out and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.